Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Meka. If you are new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn your post notification on so that you're notified every time I upload a video. So you're probably wondering, why do I look like a naked mole rat? You're probably wondering why. But the reason why is because today I'm going to show you guys a different way how to apply your wig without gluing it down if you don't choose to, if you don't feel like gluing it down. So if you haven't checked out my stocking cap method of how I did my stocking cap, I would leave that video link down below so you can check it out to see how we get to this point. Okay, so let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be using Lace FX. And basically it's like tape that you use for your lace fronts or your lace wigs or anything like that. So this is what we're gonna use today. So this is the packet. It's called Lace FX, and I got this from Amazon. And how I actually found out about this is because one of my favorite YouTubers, Nai, she had it in one of her videos when she was doing her wig, and I was like, oh, I think I'll try that. So I went on Amazon and I decided to get some because I felt like I wanted to try them. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it today. So this is how it comes. So it's like little tape strips, and then it has like the part on the back where you peel it off like so, and then you stick it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So to put your wig on if you don't want to glue it, because I feel like gluing it takes a lot of time and a lot of work, a lot of effort. It takes a lot. So yeah, so let's get into that right now. So today I'm going to be using my curly wig, and I prepped her. She's ready. So first thing I do is I secure the wig. I make sure it's nice and secured for my head, and then I place it halfway like so on my head so that I'm able to fix it before I actually glue it down. So I fix it like this to see where I want it or how I want it on my head, right? So this is it. I'm doing like a little side part, right? So what you do is, now you know where you want to place it, right? So you take one of your little tape and you open it, so you open it like this. So I took this piece off, and then what you're going to do is you're going to place, sorry guys, I can't really see, so I'm gonna get my mirror. Okay, so you wanna stick it on like so at the edge of your stocking cap. Stick it onto the edge of your stocking cap like this, and then you peel off this piece in the middle. So you peel this piece off, and then you peel this piece off, right? And then now you take your wig and you just stick your wig on to the tape. Simple as that. That was simple, right? So I'm going to show you guys again. So I do it piece by piece because to me it's easier that way. So then you take another tape. You probably need like 3 pieces, because one for each side and then one for the middle. So that's pretty much it. So you peel the tape off this side. Oh shoot. Just messed up. Okay, so the whole thing came off, so whatever. So you're gonna take that. So you take the tape and then you're gonna place it right at the edge of the stocking cap. You take the wig and you place the wig on top of it. Place the wig on top. See that? And then you do the last part, the other side. To me, I actually like this way better, because I feel like it's easier than just gluing down and doing this. So shout out to Nai for showing me this hack. So you wanna take it off to your hair, and that's it. And that's it. Simple as can be. If you need more, obviously you can put it where you need it. To kind of, you know, give it. So obviously I need one more on the side, which I'm gonna do that just now. So yeah, that is it. Well, obviously this piece is too stretched, so I'm just gonna fix that part. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna fix the sides, but I'm just showing, you know, just want to show you guys that the tape works. It's easier. That was it. You just apply 3 little pieces, you stick it on, and that's that. So yeah, so I'm gonna do my right now I'm going to do my little, what are they called, baby hairs. I'm gonna do my baby hairs, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so as you see, my hair is done, wig is on, and that took me like 5 minutes or less. So yeah, that's it. I fixed the sides, I fixed everything, and there you have it. There you have it. Lace FX. When you don't feel like gluing on your hair or your wig, Lace FX is the way to go. Like I said, I got it off Amazon, so make sure y'all go get that. I mean, it's not like I'm getting paid if you guys go get it, but you know, this is just a little tip I learned from somebody else, and I decided to share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.